Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Coming Saturday, I'm conducting a workshop for trading in US market. Those who are interested may contact our office. There are not many people, so you will get a lot of individual attention. And also, we will form a group so to help you to trade throughout your life. And of course, that may not come free. That's a different story. Coming back to market. So Nifty snapped the 3 days of fall. In fact, last 2 to 3 weeks, what is happening? Nifty falling for 3 or 4 trading session, then one big green candle come, wipes out almost the entire loss. And again, 3-4 days falling, again one big green candle. So the same thing today, after falling 3 continuous trading sessions, and Nifty had a big green candle. So this month, it is just too volatile. Look at how the markets behave. Yesterday, in the post-market report, I spoke about 2 stocks, MCX and BSE. BSE is a 1 lakh crore market cap company. Yesterday, it fell 5%. Today, shot up 5%. A 10% move in just 2 trading sessions. That to 1 lakh crore market cap company. Look at the MCX. Look at the share price of MCX for the last 2 or 3 trading sessions. It was around 10,300, went to 10,500, then came and broke 10,000 on the downside, again went up to 10,400, again came back to 9,800, and again shot up to 10,100. Like MCX is once again is a 50,000 crore market cap. That can move 15%, 20% in 2 to 3 trading session. So this is the kind of volatility, mid caps and small caps are facing. Even the large caps. Yesterday, the Fed meeting, it went as expected. It was a dovish one. So markets reacted very, very positively. So I did not sleep because of this Fed meeting, and I went to sleep very, very late. So that's why today morning I was too tired. I could not wake up. So that's why I did not come out with the pre-market report today. And then, like Indian time, 3 p.m., I went to sleep and woke up around 7 a.m. So, the US market has fallen drastically. Why? They say Oracle results were not good. And because of that, the stocks have fallen. So, because of that, the people here totally confused. And Nasdaq was higher yesterday. So, which means that logically, IT stock should go up. And today morning, I have seen some unusual things. HDFC Bank was trading in green, but ICICI Bank trading in red. And Infosys trading in green, TCS was trading in red. Like same sector, no news, one stock is going plus, one stock is going minus. And then today, the very bad thing is that after opening, markets fell and broke day before yesterday's low. Although markets fell yesterday, the day before yesterday's low was not tested yesterday, but that was tested today. The Nifty broke 25,700 in the spot. Imagine it went up to 26,250 to 26,300, and now coming and breaking 25,700, and then came, the short covering. And the short covering was so powerful that Nifty shot up more than 200 points. But again, it fell 100 points, again recovered, Today, it was just going all over the places. And it's just too volatile. And that too, such a big market cap company making, you must come and see the volatility in US. Even a $5 trillion company, they make a move of 10%, 20%, what to talk about. Our entire market cap is around 5 trillion in India, right? So that's how the stock market, the stock market is definitely not for light-hearted people. You can make millions and you can lose millions, right? So I'm just trying to, avoid this kind of volatility just by taking positions in the slightly longer term. Okay, so short-term trades are subject to gamma effect, so that's why I always take part of the portfolio. I keep it in the long term. I think I've shown you how that my long-term portfolio, that was not the real folio, but in real folio what happens, sometimes we see good profit, I book the profit, but paper folio, no need to book the profit, right? You can continue, right? So that's how I trade. So anyway, so those interesting strategies we will be discussing in the workshop. So after a long time, I'm coming to Mumbai, so one in Chennai, one in Mumbai, so in the month of January. So that's hardly 1 month away, right? So otherwise today, it is just, short covering, I tell you, I told you this story, but maybe for my new followers, assume that there are two gangs in a city, right? So you belong to one gang, I belong to opposite gang. You are alone, okay, myself along with 3 or 4 people come together, oh, you are caught. So we beat you like anything, right? So we get, joy by beating you like anything. And suddenly what happens, your men 25 people come, but we are only 5 people, right? So what happens, so we get scared, so we run away. Run, how fast you can run, right? So if you are weak, I will beat you like anything, but if I'm weak, I will run away like anything. So this is exactly what will happen in stock market between bulls and bears. So the bears were beating the bulls left, right, and center, and today the bulls, they got more people to support them. So the bears are to run. So this is how the stock market goes. But usually this kind of high volatile markets, it means 2 things. So like, either it is a topping out process or it is the bottoming out process. So I would say probably, today's low may be the low for the rest of the series. So that's fine. But sometimes what happens, rarely the markets that are too volatile and in a longer time frame, it may not go anywhere. It may close exactly in the same place. Say for example, and take the year total 2025. And from 2024 October. So 2024 October, Nifty was around 26,000. And after 15 months, now also Nifty is around 26,000. It just did not go anywhere, 0. But if you look at in between, like it went to 26,000, then went to 21,700, it was going all over the places, 1,000 point, 2,000 point, 4,000 point move up and down. But after 1 year, it's not going anywhere. So in the short term, huge volatility means it is a bottoming out process or topping out process, or maybe sometimes in the long term, it can be a good consolidation. So at this point of time, I do not want to speculate, but I'm sure, and I've taken some short straddle for the next year, December at 28,000. So I'm already sitting with a very good profit. But I'm a little bit worried, to carry this position because, the VIX keeps on falling. Anytime VIX can shoot up. But see, today also the VIX has fallen by about 5%. Right? Now I think it is below 10.5. Right? So of course, I might consider booking 50% profit. The remaining 50% I might continue to carry. Right? So how to trade, how to keep a trailing stop loss, how much partial profit booking you have to do, and all those things we discuss in our workshop. So again, too much promotion for workshop. Okay. Look at the way market was reacting. even after the Fed event, since the market broke yesterday's low, people have sold call option left, right, and center. All those people had to run for cover. So that's why there was a huge unwinding in, 25,700, 800, 900, 26,000 call options. There's a huge addition of put option at 25,700 and 25,800, And so overall, right now, mostly people have 25,900 straddle and 26,000 straddle, expecting some range bound move for the next 2 to 3 trading sessions. And today's Sensex expiry was also very, very volatile. So overall, a good thing is that, in the last 15, 20 days, 3 times market fell. And that too, continuously for 3 to 4 days. And then all the 3 times, market has recovered. And, we have 2 more weeks plus 3 more trading session. Like 10 plus 3, 13, out of which 1 trading session is a holiday. So we have 12 more trading session. So I'm hoping that, today's low will not be broken. So with that expectation, I have positions 25,500 and below put options in monthly series. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.